Hi besties, welcome back to my channel. I finally got to do a makeup tutorial for you guys. This is a long awaited updated makeup tutorial, and this is basically how I get my flawless base, and this is more for like an oily combo girly, combo bestie. Come, let me show you guys how I got this look. Okay guys, so like I said before, we're not doing eyeshadow, only my brows, only my base for you guys. So I'm gonna go in with the Milani Clean Start Prep and Set. I like spraying this on my face before I add any like serums. It is so nice. They just came out with this and it is super affordable. Now I'm gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Essence Toner. I really like the way this is under my makeup, and for a reference, I am an oily skin girly, so some of these products I'm using might work for you and then some products probably won't, but I will let you know like what's matte and what's like mostly hydrating. I would say this is nice and hydrating, so it could work for my dry skin girlies. Just taking this Nip and Fab eye cream. Eye cream is super important in your makeup routine, a nighttime routine, daytime routine, Pookie, because the older you get, the more likely you'll be you're gonna get wrinkles. So I like applying this, and don't mind my background. My room's a mess right now. We had a long weekend, but yeah, let's go ahead and rub in that eye cream. Primer, I'm going in with the MCO Beauty Grippy Primer. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Milk makeup one, so it is all skin type approved. I really like this. I believe this is $11.99 at Target, guys. And MCO Beauty is a really good dupe brand if you want to buy like Charlotte Tilbury, or if you want to buy like Milk makeup or anything like that. They really have dupes for all types of makeup brands. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the Milani Conceal and Perfect. This is the Blur Out Smoothing one. I'm gonna take a little bit of it. This is what it looks like, just on my T-zone where my pores are at, so I can look see nice and airbrushed. And I believe this is like, maybe I want to say like 11 bucks, which is not bad, guys. I usually use my One Size Beauty one, but we're gonna make it affordable. For something fast, we'll be going in with the L'Oreal Skin Ink Foundation Concealer in one. You have to shake it up really good, and then you have to work with it really fast. I'm gonna go ahead and apply her. Like I said, you have to work with her really fast. So let me just do this one side of the face first. I'm finally excited I got to film a makeup video for you guys. Usually I can just film on TikTok because that's where I put all my like makeup brands at and my makeup videos. But I was like, let me film one for YouTube. It's been a hot minute. I do have some videos I have to film on TikTok already with makeup on. So I was like, why not do this for you guys? Give you a little update on my makeup routine. See how nice this is? And you have to go in with it really fast. The coverage is insane, guys. Look at all my redness, and I covered it all. And this retails, I think, for like $12.99. Okay, and for bronzer, we're going in with the Milani Cheek Spilling Tea. My favorite bronzer. That's what it looks like. Okay, and I'm gonna take it on the Morphe. This is a cream liquid like contour brush. I absolutely love this brush because it's on an angle and you couldn't really get in there. And I just put it around my forehead mostly because I got a big forehead, girl. I don't know about y'all, but my forehead is humongous. So we're gonna do the bronzer first. I like to take it up too as well. Oh, I put a lot on this side. Oh, well, it will be nice and bronzed. A little bit on my nose and a little bit at the bottom of my mouth, so my lips can look bigger. I'm gonna go in with this like Ace Beauty. I got it in my Ipsy bag one time, but there's like this kind of like grayish shade at the bottom. I'm gonna go in a little bit with that. I forgot who it was. I think Makeup by Ariel. say that you have to add like the chisel, and I did this over the weekend and it looked good, so let's try doing it again and then we'll put concealer if it doesn't work out. But you have to put it right here so your face can look nice and snatched. I know I look crazy right now, but we shall see if it works and it makes us look snapped. In with two cream blushes. This is the One Size Beauty Attention Seeker Trio palette, and then I'm gonna go in with the MCO Beauty blush drops. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one on first and this one on top to give a nice like glow. If you don't have this trio, you guys absolutely need it. I love this baby pink shade, and I like putting it under my eyes because again, I like a baby pink under eye. I don't know about you guys, but if you've seen like my videos and stuff, I always try to achieve a good baby pink under eye, and I feel like I've been doing good so far. So let's do that. I need a new one though because it's getting all messed up. And then we're gonna take the drops from MCO Beauty. See if I can just drop it on here. Hello. Oh, there it goes. So we can add the glow on top. It's like a little extra glow. Nothing wrong with that. Put it in my eyes a little bit. Like so. On my forehead so I can look like I went tanning, but I didn't. Period. You're gonna look like a clown first, but we're gonna fix it with concealer. The concealer I'm going in with is the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer in Snow. I like this concealer. It brightens up my under eyes and it kind of keeps me matte. I heard that there's one for like actual oily skin, like actual matte concealer. But I'm okay with my under eyes. I feel like I set them pretty good for them to be matte throughout the day. And we're just gonna go in with a beauty sponge to blend this out. I don't have a mirror. Here we go. And it comes out flawless every time. I think I'm gonna go back to Ulta and get their pressed powder because that looks fire. And I take my concealer up here so it kind of gives me that natural lift effect. But it's optional. You don't have to put on a lot of concealer, but shit, I do. This is how the concealer and blush is looking together. It looks good. I went in and put concealer or my foundation under here to kind of snatch my jawline, but we're gonna like dim down the whiteness with a little bit of bronzer. Go in and set my under eyes with the Charlotte Tilbury powder in Fair One. Absolutely love this powder. That scared me. Go in under the eye. Make sure it's nice and matte. Go in on the other side. And this powder is mostly for oily skin. I'm gonna say it. You don't need to be using this powder if you have dry skin. I feel like it's a nice matte powder, but hey, that's just what I think. But we're just gonna go ahead and tap under the eye. So it's nice and matte. Get my forehead, in between my eyebrows, because I sweat a lot in between my eyebrows, my mouth area. And then we're gonna put on a different powder for right here. We're gonna go in with the Maybelline Fit Me to set kind of like my face, I guess. And let me find a good brush to put it with. I'll go like this over the rest. And then we're going to start to bronze the face right now. Bronzer, we're going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Italian Summer Palette. I got this in my BoxyCharm box. And I need to invest in a new bronzer. I know which one I want. I just haven't got the time to go get it, or the funds, because it's the Patrick Ta one. It looks so nice. Or I want to get the Makeup by Mario one, I believe it is. That one looks nice too as well. But I like the Patrick Ta because it comes in a trio. And I feel like you get more for your money. Or it comes in doubles. But that's just me. I feel like you get more for your money when you get like double of everything. Makeup by Mario is just like a single bronzer, but they both look so good. And then we're just gonna bronze my face up before we add our blush. Like so. I feel like I can do a little bit more here. We are good. Okay. To bake my under eyes, we're going in with the L'Oreal Infallible Blur Perfect. This is in the shade light pink, I believe. This has been going viral all over TikTok, and I finally found it. I used it the other day too, and it's so good. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in my lid. I'm gonna go in with a powder puff. Kind of put the excess on the back of my hand. And then let me grab my mirror. I keep putting it down because I don't have a mirror. And just kind of like go in. It really does what it says it does. It does blur out the face really nicely. Kind of like contour my nose. I do not cream contour my nose because I feel like I make it look bigger than what it's supposed to look. So I pass on contouring my nose. Thank you. And it just looks perfect. Look at that. Snatched. And here's my little trick to get pink under eyes to dust off my powder. I'm gonna go in with my blush, and this is the NYX Cosmetics blush in My Butter Half, a nice pink shade. And we are gonna start like taking off the powder, but when we go in, we're gonna go under. And you don't really notice it that much. It kind of gives you like a nice, more of like a brighter pink, but not too bright, girl. And then same thing under here. Forehead to make us look tan. Such a like cutesy pink blush. So cute. Yes. Here this is what the base is looking like. Rock it. Smooth, flawless. Okay, let's keep going. We're gonna spray the face a little bit. We're gonna go in with the Kimchi Stage. This is the Proof Matte Setting Spray. Obviously, excuse me, for girlies who are oily. Just a little bit of that. And then we're gonna go in with the Scandinavia one. They actually cut ties with Urban Decay. But I still use this. I still love them. This is the bridal one. This kind of takes off more powder from your face in case you feel powdery. So I use both of them combined together. I forgot to record. I did my mascara. I just did have. I had to do it on TikTok for Rare Beauty. But let me go ahead and do my lip combo. Sorry, my room's a mess. I had to change the position. So we're gonna go ahead in with the One Size Beauty, and this is Rent Dew Lip Liner. I'm just gonna give it a good sharpen really quick. I love this lip liner. It's like the perfect brown. But this has been like my go-to lip combo. And fill in. Like so. And then we're gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury lipstick in KKW, the Perfect Nudie. Period. Hey guys, this is the final look. This is how I do my base on a daily or when I go out. This is like the perfect flawless base. I'm not even gonna put on eyelashes because I'm really not really going anywhere, girl. I'm going to court. That's about it. So yeah, guys, go ahead and follow my TikTok. I will leave it somewhere here if you want to see more makeup tutorials, eyeshadow tutorials, and makeup reviews. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.